We are here for people Gaza and for people Palestine. We organize such an organization for people in Gaza and in violence. We must all hear their voice, and we must be their voice. This murder is not only for Muslims, it's also for all humanity. If we are a human, we must hear their voice and do not use Israel stuffs, and we will also boycott for all their stuffs. Palestine people want peace, and we will give them their peace. And last of our word is block all the barricades, and Palestine is free. The people in America and Europe, I want to say something for them also. Your voice must be better and better, because all world can hear your voice. So please do not stop your voice. The history will write your name with golden letters, and humanity will win also, and free Palestine.
I'm supporting Palestine, free Palestine, every time, every moment. You cannot do anything about this situation just by boycott. You can worship Allah, you can dua for our brothers and sisters in Palestine. And I'm supporting universities, students in America and in Europe, in everywhere, in every country in this world. I think they make a good thing, and they show to the world the situation about Palestine, about this is Israel. Wasn't Israel. I'm gonna ask you just a question about Israel. Where was Israel before 1948? There wasn't any Israeli people in this world. Israeli people, Jewish people, came to Israel in 1948, 1947, while Palestine was a country, while Palestine was a whole country, and came with Palestinian passports. This is true. You cannot do anything about this. Israel is just a lie. Okay, just thanks for listening.
We are standing with Gaza people, and we are condemn the Israeli genocide of Gaza people, and the people all over the world from different nations, cultures and religions condemn the Israeli genocide of Gaza people.
Today here, tomorrow in Quds.